Hello everyone, this is my review of the ResMed HumidAir Standard Tub for the AirSense 10 and AirCurve 10 accessory for Cpap users. It is designed to provide humidification to ensure comfort during therapy. The tub is easy to install and use. It is fully compatible with the ResMed AirSense 10 and AirCurve 10 series. The clear construction allows you to water level with ease. The durable materials built to last and withstand daily use. I found that it works consistently to deliver a smooth therapy session while